What's good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, gang. Today we got a big day for the channel. If y'all tell by the title of the video, today we're gonna be installing the LCI taillights on the F30, man. F30 is looking kind of dirty right now. About to give it a wash. Quick wash right now. And then, I mean, since I haven't washed it in like 2 weeks, which is like maybe three, this actually might be maybe 3 weeks, which is like the longest I went without washing it for some months, definitely. My tires, my wheels need to clean, my wheels need to wash really bad. But like I said, gang, today we're installing the LCI taillights, the last aesthetic mod that I wanted to do to the whip before I wrapped it. So y'all know now the F30 is ready for the wrap, gang. Officially, like it's officially ready. I know I've been saying that. I've been saying, yeah, we're gonna do this, then we're gonna wrap it. We're gonna do this, then we're gonna wrap it. And I've just been adding little things to it that I wanted to do before we wrapped it. But after these taillights, I'm not capping now. I'm really officially ready to wrap the whip. I wanted to do the exhaust first, but I might just wait till after. But then again, I might change my mind again and say, forget it. Let's just throw on the exhaust system and then wrap it. But honestly, I think I'm gonna wrap. I think I'm about to order the vinyl this Christmas and get it all set up, get everything ready, and get it wrapped, man, with my boys. But hey, these are the taillights, man, from Depo. Beautiful. I'll show you guys these in a second. I'm gonna open the box up for y'all, but as of for right now, let's just get a quick wash in, gang. Let's get it. All right, wash is done. F30 is nice and clean right now. We finna go ahead and unbox these lights now though, gang. See what they looking like. I haven't even opened the box yet. It's my first day getting to the box. I just came over here to take a peek at them. And I was like, you know what, I'm finna install these before I go to work. Well, if I can get the box open, now we can see what we're working with here. I think these are the wiretapping screw, the wiretapping little thingies. Whew. Sheesh. Sheesh.
Nice.
Mom approves.
Yes. Oh, it's got a little curve instead of straight.
Mom approves, gang. That's the outer tail light. It's gonna be the easier install, assuming the inner is in here, which it is. There's the inner. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the outer. Basically, I think it's like 2 10 mils or like 2 T15s like in here, and then it just pops out. But let's figure that out right now. So y'all, basically what I just pulled out this little inner, whatever you want to call this thing, I don't know, lining. Pull the lining off. I'm just gonna, it's 2 10 mils. I just found out these are 10 millimeter screws. And just take these 2 10 mils out, and then it basically will just pop out. It's held in by a grommet that's over here in this corner. So I'm about to just pop these 10 mils out. 2 10 mils. Let's see if we can just pop it out. My boy Apollo wanted to come join me. As y'all can see though, I threw my chesty on, so I can try to give y'all a better view of what we got going on here. But I already took out both of the 10 mils. Hey, don't mess none of my screws, Apollo. So this should just pop right out. Let me just see. There it is. That was easy. So boom, this tail light is out. And disconnect the sensor back here. Alrighty. OEM tail light is out of the way. We're done with this. So here's the new one. Depo. Looks so freaking OEM. You would never know this was not OEM. Literally. Y'all tell me. You would never know this is not OEM. This is beautiful. This is, oh my God, this is beautiful. Okay, so in the back here, a little different than OEM because we have a couple more wires, a little adapter for the retrofit. So here we go, let's see. This is gonna plug back into the OEM sensor plug right here. But these two big block looking things, I'm gonna have to use this 3M tape or something to get them to stick up inside of the, you know, in the corner, up in one of these little crevices. So let's get that going right now. Stick this down in here. hold it for a couple seconds so 3M can work. I'm just gonna stick it up onto this wall, like right in this area, and it should stay up. It should stick on. So let's see if that'll work. It should fit. Shouldn't be no fitment issues, according to Keys Motorsports. You already know. All right, gang. After some trials and tribulations of getting the little adhesive boxes to stick in the right places, it looks like we've got it. So I'm about to install the screws back and see if this is the right fitment, gang. But from what it looks like it is. So I got the boxes in there in place. I don't think anything should be moving around. See if it works, see if it's active right now. Oh yeah, it's working. It is working, family. It is working, my people. It is working. Look at it. Beautiful. You can tell the difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. But that's it. Easy install for the outer tail light. Outer tail light is so easy. Just go ahead and knock the other side out. So we got both the outer tail lights installed. Quick and easy. Probably took like less than 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the inner tail light, because as y'all can see, the inner tail light is still OEM. We need to get that to be LCI. So boom. Let's go ahead and install these inner tail lights. I think the first thing we have to do is take out this this whole little under panel thing. So there's a couple screws on here. I see some T's, look like T15, maybe T10, T's up here. I think there's a flat head in here or something, or a Phillips head. Let's figure that out. Let's get it. Working on the inner tail light, the inner trunk tail light. I went ahead and disconnected the battery in there because I'm about to do some wiring here. But basically up here, so I disconnected the sensor cord. The way that you get this out, so basically, I'll show you guys. This is the Depo light, but if you look here, there's a little 8mm screw on the OEM tail light. It's a 10mm. You just unscrew that all the way. Once you've done that, it's basically hooked in by like a little hook over here, this hook right here. So what you want to do is you just basically push up and pull out, and it'll come out pretty easily. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed and try to get this wiring done. I'm running late now. I gotta get to work. Let's see if we can finish this up. So I got the inner tail light installed. It's hooked in underneath that hook that's over here. That hook that's right here, it's hooked in. Everything's secure. Now I just gotta tighten up that 8mm screw right there, and then install the plug. But after that, some more things we gotta do. We gotta wire some stuff all the way down here, down into here, and I gotta wire tap some stuff. So let's get that. Y'all can see I got both of my plugs plugged in. My little adapter, whatever they want to call these. I got one attached here, one up in here in the cut. Now only thing left is this big thing of wire. So this is what I'm gonna wire down here, down into here, and I'm gonna tap it in there with the little wire taps they gave me. I think they're over there. I got both of the Depo tail lights installed in the inner trunk. Took me a little minute just because I had some fitment issues getting this one over here to fit in with the hook and everything, but now everything's set up. So now I'm about to just put back on this little trunk inside cover, whatever you want to call it, this thingy. I'll put this back on. I'm gonna show you guys the final product, man. I'm running late to work, so I'm trying to wrap this up for you guys. Let's get it. Whew. Perfect timing, gang. We finished with the LCI tail lights installed. I'm running late to work. I'm late, but hey, these look so sick. Took me a little bit longer. Had a couple fitment issues. I couldn't get the wire tapping to work. I gotta get some new wire taps. So the dynamic, whatever you want to call it, sequential blinker's not working right now, but there it is, gang. LCI, so much brighter than the OEM, man. It looks so sick. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. My GoPro is dying, but hey, these look beautiful, gang. I appreciate y'all for tapping into this video. The wrap is on the way, coming really soon, gang. You got big plans for the channel. I appreciate everybody that's tapped in, everybody that's subscribing. We about to hit 600, we hit 500 quick. You know, I had to tap back in with you guys tonight. Show y'all the night view of the tail lights of the F30 because it looks insane. Like literally, I'm not gonna lie, it's so bright, jeez. Look how much brighter it is than before. Like you can just tell it's brighter, like even during the day when I have them on, I keep them on during the day. Look at these guys. Sheesh.